a short and brief note on tenses. Now, answer my questions. How many tenses are there? Who will answer? Who will answer? Please stand up.
There are three main kinds of tenses.
Very good. Sit down. Which are them?
Present tense, past tense and future tense.
Very good. Shabash. Sit down. Now, how many sub kinds of tenses?
Each tense further subdivided into four kinds.
Very good. Which are them?
Simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous.
Very good. Simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Who will describe the whole 12 sub kinds of tenses? Who will describe? Stand up, Sara.
There can be 12 sub-kinds of tenses.
What are them?
Present simple, past simple, future simple.
Okay. Sit down, please. Who will describe the next three?
Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous.
Very good. Present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Who will describe the next three?
Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect.
Repeat it.
Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect.
Very good. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Now, who will describe the last three?
Present perfect, continuous, past perfect, continuous, future perfect, continuous.
Please repeat it loudly.
Present perfect, continuous, past perfect, continuous, future perfect, continuous.
Very good. Shabash.